Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You will begin by confirming essentials. Back up any network profiles you need and make sure you know the Wi-Fi name and password. Once done, plug the device into power so it cannot turn off mid-reset. This prevents corrupted configs. Now navigate into Settings, the Network or Connections. This is where the reset tools live. Take a deep breath. You're starting an irreversible step that clears adapters and DNS. Make sure you want a full network restore before continuing. Now perform the core actions. Choose Network Reset or Reset Network Settings and follow prompts to confirm. You'll remove saved Wi-Fi networks, VPN profiles, Bluetooth pairings, and custom DNS. This cleans broken entries that block connections. Once confirmed, the system resets adapters and network stacks. Make sure no critical sessions are open. After the reset completes, you must restart the device so drivers and services reinstall correctly. If prompted, reconnect to your Wi-Fi using your known credentials. Finish by reconnecting to Wi-Fi and re-entering VPN or static IP settings you need. This restores intentional customizations. Once reconnected, make sure to update network drivers or apply OS updates, because outdated drivers often cause repeat failures. If problems persist, run the built-in network diagnostics and check the router's status. Sometimes rebooting the router fixes DHCP issues. One key troubleshooting tip.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.